Automated QC in broadcasting has some interesting challenges around the multiple QC problem. This problem is where we test an audio-video file in production, then in broadcasting, and then in, say, transmission. Each time we do a test, we have a problem with consistency, that the tests might be different, that might be different manufacturers, or the configuration of each of the tests might be slightly different. So we have a problem which we need to solve with regard to the tests themselves. Furthermore, every time we perform a test, it costs us time and money, and it would be advantageous if we could look to perform the test once and then use a method of letting the other users of that audio-video file and to know that what the test has been performed, and to make sure that they can use that file adequately. So one idea to solve this problem is to use a certificate. The certificate would be generated by the QC test and then would be passed through to downstream users who would effectively be able to bypass their tests if they trusted the certificate. The certificate could be tied to the file, so it could be digitally signed or somehow encrypted, so that if the file was changed subsequent to the test, you'll be able to detect that and the certificate will be invalidated. However, that's probably quite an extreme, and it may be that we look for something which is more akin to the record sheet which goes with a tape, which lets you know that an engineer, or in this case a QC device, has tested the equipment to a certain level and that you can trust those tests. I think by using certificates, we could cut down the amount of QC required and obviously therefore save time and cost.